Ha ha ha! The experimental prototype community of tomorrow! That's right, guys. We are back at the world famous EPCOT Center. The last of the 4 parks for us to visit, to return to. I am stoked. It's a nice, cool, calm, partly cloudy, little bit drizzly, rainy day. I think that's a perfect recipe for an afternoon at EPCOT. So without further ado, shall we return to the EPCOT-esque magnificence that awaits us in EPCOT. You know, guys, it's been a while. Let's get on Spaceship Earth. Very windy.
Welcome aboard.
Oh no, Rome down! That is a weird nostalgic smell. The smell of Rome burning brings back a lot of nice memories. This guy, looking at his thing at the stars and whatnot. That guy.
Attention travelers, please remain seated. Your time machine is rotating backward for your return to Earth.
Looks like Project Tomorrow is completely empty, completely powered down. It's actually pretty eerie in here. It's been interesting to balance that, the feeling of it being too quiet, too empty, and then enjoying the low wait times. It's hard. As you can see, super crowded in Future World today. And all of this moisture falling from the sky has got me craving some more watery experiences. Perhaps via the seas with Nemo and his friends. This is actually one of, if not the favorite pavilion of mine here in Future World. And it's one I've been surprisingly thinking about the most during our absence here. So I'm actually really excited to get back inside, see some aquatic life. This might be an unconventional choice, but you know what? I think this queue here is probably my favorite in all of Epcot, maybe even Walt Disney World. I don't know. It's just a nice, calm queue as you're on the beach and eventually go underwater, but especially now, that feeling is multiplied considering it's just us here. Then we go under the docks, as it were, and now we are under the sea, under the ocean, under the tide, if you will. And it's just a great, calming, peaceful, tranquil aesthetic in here that I cannot ever get enough of. And here we are to the main attraction, our Omni-Mover Shells. They'll take us all the way. Of course, the ride itself is pretty nice too.
Jellyfish! And the next one, jellyfish!
All right, Mr. Smarty Pants.
Stop playing games! Hurry, do something!
Thanks.
Don't remember that working last time, so it's good to see that functional.
Stop fooling around!
And this guy's working again too. He's been stationary for as long as I can remember. Now he's popping back out. This is never not gonna blow me away. It's them! They're swimming with real fish and stingrays. There's a hidden Mickey in the back there. In the big blue world, we're ready to go. Oh my gosh, there's a dolphin! Not there, those are licensed characters. But right there, a dolphin.
Hey, where are you going? Starfish can turn around.
Look at that. Greeted by dolphins as we exit the attraction. That's exciting. He's upside down. They goof off. It looks like we've got these tanks all to ourselves. So that means it's time for a fish montage. SeaWorld ain't got nothing on the Living Seas Pavilion. And it's about time someone had the guts to say it. The rain is coming down in such a way that it doesn't take too much to make my mind believe that the low crowds we're experiencing right now are because of people evading the weather. Just a weird, artificial sense of normalcy I've just given myself. But it's nice.
Discovery and awareness of the richness, the diversity, the often surprising nature of living with the land. Productive living systems, providing us with oxygen, food, medicines, and other elements essential to our lives.
Oh, living with the land monkey. Good to be with you again, living with the land monkey.
One day become home to the American farm. The land. Humans have had one of the most profound effects. The need to produce food for a growing world led to the enormous use and innovative ways to produce bountiful harvests now and into the future. The tropics are home to the greatest diversity of plants on the planet. Many of these, like papaya, bananas, tick bananas, are eaten annually, making it the most popular fruit in the world.
This includes cameras, purses, hats, and of course, these little beauties.
It's fun. Return to tower. We are ready for takeoff.
That's why they're not at Kilimanjaro Safari anymore. They're here on Soarin. We're in the middle, so it's not bending. It's a non-distorted Eiffel Tower. Kind of. Oh, I know this place. I know this place. But that thing is gone. That thing is gone. Those things are gone. Where are we? No one up here with us by the jumping fountains, probably because the fountains aren't jumping. Well, that's untrue here for our little bouncing droplets. Boing, boing, boing. It just bounce and bows. How about that? Stuff like this makes me so excited for whatever this Moana Journey of Water thing will be. Just like water. Drinking it and seeing it. Oh my gosh. There's a rogue Pooh over there. Look at this. He's escaped from the 100-acre wood. He is now in the garden behind the Imagination Pavilion. A Pooh in his natural habitat, perhaps? Look at that. He's just roaming by his lonesome. I think he's catching butterflies. Oh my gosh, he's golfing. He's golfing with butterflies. He's winding up. Whoa! He did it! In the water. Woohoo! Silly old bear. I've been here for several minutes now. It is very peculiar because the same excitement I would have if I saw a bear in the wild from a distance I'm experiencing right now. With Pooh just by himself wandering around. This is, I don't know, it's weirdly exciting. And there he is. He spotted me. It's Pooh. I gotta say, in the midst of all of this, the character interaction has actually been improved, whether it be through character cavalcades or weird, awesomely exciting experiences like this, where you just sort of randomly happen to catch Pooh with a butterfly net behind the Imagination Pavilion. It's like, I don't want to leave because I want to see what he's going to do next. And whatever he does is completely natural. He just caught the big one. Congratulations, Pooh. He's thinking. Think. Oh, he put it back. Should someone tell him he's not wearing pants? Gosh, he's getting closer and closer.
Oh, yeah,
there's honey in there. Honey. Oh my goodness. Oh my.
Uh-oh, your hand's gonna get stuck.
Look out for bees. Oh, success. He's got it.
Yummy.
Congratulations, Pooh.
Good job, Pooh Bear.
Look at that.
Oh, he's so cute, dude.
I don't want to walk away. I can't bring myself to do it. Oh, he's grabbing his net again. Hands down, the best character initiative Disney has ever done. I think I can say it firmly right now. I love this. I want more of this. Give me more of this. Here we go. Woo!
Responsiveness test.
Let's be responsible!
Responsiveness data is now being synchronized.
Whoa! We're going 4 gigahertz. Look at all the Chevys! Wow! 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 And we've crossed over, we've entered into the World Showcase to see what the world has in store for us today. Can I help you? Good sir? No? Okay. Do you hear the song? Canta y no llores. Our first stop in the World Showcase, of course, would be no place other than the American Adventure. Let's go in and see the show. Let us enjoy the show.
Come on, let's go and play. Elsa wants to give us awesome fun, making everyone a snowy summer day. We get to share this frozen fun for the first time forever.
Let it go backwards, because that's where we're going. Wow! Over the falls! Moisture! Puffin! Wow, look at the castle during this summer celebration! That ride is still profound. I got considerably butt wet on that ride. Never before. I don't know what's different, but I got a soggy behind right now. This is the life. And as night begins to fall, seems like the perfect time to go on a grand Fiesta tour. The best ambiance of any pavilion is right here. Smells good in here too.
Bienvenidos. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado. Tenga las manos, brazos, pies ligeros.
Wait, what the heck? It's the 2 caballeros right now. Where's the third guy? They're not always together. This is proof. Oh my gosh. Where's Jose Carroca? We've got to find Jose Carroca. This is a search and rescue mission now. Guys, it's been quite the afternoon here in Epcot. We've only scratched the surface of the World Showcase. We did quite a bit in Future World, but still got a lot to do here in the World Showcase, and we're running out of time, which means we're just gonna have to come back, and we will. Gosh, this place. I like it so. So I think for now, we'll call it a day, wrap it up now, with the intention of returning soon. So make sure you're here when we do. And until next time, we'll see you in the happy place. Bye.